might have changed it.
Selma.
I thought he said it. Yeah.
Where's the cat?
It's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, sige dyan.
Wala tayo.
Magaling kayo dyan.
Okay,
Magaling tayo sa sundukan.
Okay, tatlo na kayo. Tatlo.
Ayun na siya.
Okay.
Tatlo na.
Ano gagawin?
Okay.
Katakot yung ano na.
Walang matitira. Walang matitira.
What is there
Walang
going to
makikita.
Okay, are you ready?
There's gonna be a drinking competition.
Okay, move on.
We're ready.
We're gonna sit down the winner.
Ilan pa sila kami?
Tatlo lang daw, tatlo. Okay, ready?
Apat para masaya.
Oh, sige, apat.
Apat.
Yung kakawin, huliin.
Oh, okay, are you ready?
Bato nila ba?
Okay, so you're going to carry it to the other person, and then the last one will sit down. We'll say Merry Christmas yung last, okay?
We get up here. We are.
Okay. Just wait, I will count 1 to 3, okay? Sorry ito.
Wait.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, ready?
So is this one right here?
Start, go!
Spec 5.
Yes, ikaw lang.
Okay, kids, you sing. We
Yeah,
wish you
yeah.
a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
That's what it was.
Okay, time for the adults. Here goes. That's a surprise.
Itong game tayo.
Picture the winner. Picture the winner. Oh, let me see the winner. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations. Okay, you wanna play bingo? Okay, we're going to play bingo. So everybody sit down. I will give them
Wala ko talo.
Okay, you sit down. I will give you.
Maganda namin mga friends. Yeah, miss you too. Maganda iyay. Grabe, ang daong pagkain. Ang galing-galing mo mag-make-up. As in. Pag nag-post ka.
Diba, no? Followers kasi.
Sabihin ko yung number. Lagyan mo ilaman. Yung one slot. Diagonal or horizontal.
There. I'm gonna do one on three.
Straight lang. Kay Marlene, straight lang to.
Straight lang, straight.
Tapos mo pa.
Let's go play. So I will draw a number here and a letter, and then if you have that on your card, then you put that thing that I gave you. The winner for the bingo is if you have a straight line, so diagonal, horizontal, and then vertical. Star, right? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go draw the first number.
First number.
Oh, sorry.
mo yung bingo niya. Social.
Okay, the first letter is letter O for 63. Letter O for 63. So if you have letter O on the top and then there's number 63, then put that thing in.
Okay. That's what the
You sure
airport
you're
is.
I know what's in there. I know
Yeah.
Number 3.
All green. You
Number 3.
First is all green. Yeah, yeah.
All green. Then with the camouflage.
Yeah.
And then
Number
with the
4.
Right.
now it's another camouflage.
Number 5.
Like a multicam or whatever they call it.
Okay. Are you
Like a
ready
light
to
colored
open?
green.
Whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so excited.
You have the desert stuff.
I don't know what this is.
Okay, now it's adults turn.
Sarap nun.
Okay, so adults, we're gonna have adults now. Ay, yung ilagay mo dito.
What did you think of the Army's digital cam when they went to that? I heard a lot of people didn't really like it because they thought it didn't do that well.
Okay, it's adults turn. Okay, adults, sit down, adults. Okay, so I will call the number and you sit down here because you're gonna open your present. You're gonna open your present. Okay.
Ang bigat, di ko mabuksan. Bigat yan, bigat. Bigat, bigat nga. Baka naman. Bigat. You need help?
Wow.
You got some. You got this. Yeah. Hey, Filipino My mom says that too much.
There you go. Okay, next. Number 2. Ako pala, number 2.
May pikas lahat. Para kayo. May pikas sa inyan. Guys,
Okay, number 2.
Open!
Okay. Ano kaya?
Wagang baon!
May lamig.
Oh, I have joined the Dampina. Oh, meron sa Oh, and coconut na. Meron pa, sardines. At saka,
Merry Christmas! Diba?
oh, meron pa. Naku, may di ako mamutan.
Diba?
Hindi na ako bibili ng salt.
At magagamit pa natin.
Yeah.
Yung ibang regalo, display lang.
Kaya,
Hindi
Oo
naman-
nga.
thank you.
Okay, ako ang next.
Okay, number
Ah,
3.
hindi ba alam ang number 3?
Okay, number 3.
Okay. Ang pwede ba alam ng to?
Okay, number 3.
Yay! Mac and cheese! Ay, puro pasta! May lulutuin na bukas. Ay, bakit?
Kompleto.
Parang sa Aldi yata. Ganito yung akin.
Alam niya.
Oo nga.
Oh, Parmesan.
Bakit sa Aldi mo ito binili? Why did someone put so many food in the gift? Alam niyo na salamat po.
Okay, next is number 5. Oh.
Galing Pilipinas pa lang yan.
Galing Pilipinas yata yan.
You like that?
Ready? Yeah? Did I just see you?
Imported from the Philippines.
Thank you for the card.
Oh, mandarin oranges.
Hindi ko ba i-share?
Tuna.
I'm ashamed.
Oh,
There's rice in every single one. We love rice.
pork and beans. And coffee.
Ooh, I won't like that one. More noodles.
Spam. Need spam?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can have that.
Number 9.
Ooh. Ooh, coconut butter.
We're gonna have Alfredo tonight.
Oh, there you go.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Brown sugar.
Rice.
But it's different kind of rice.
Sweet rice. Yay, that's good.
Yeah, well, that's a good time. You have to open it. I don't know.
Wow.
Smush it.
What is that?
Pearl wine.
Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of chocolate.
Noodle.
Good noodles.
Oh.
Oh,
Chips.
good chips. I like those chips.
You like chips? Oh. Yeah, you have drinks.
Ah.
Does it taste like what's the taste like a mango thing?
Yeah.
Orange ice juice.
Ooh, it's like
Nakabak na.
walang higas yan. Give the bag na. Give the bag.
Keep it on right.
Baka rice.
Sorry. That's why you think about half.
Daming balot.
Ay, mayaman sa pampalo.
Kaya, kaya na oh.
Anak na ako. It's about a habit. The funny, the funny part. Ang dami naman yung
Oh, there it is. It's a knife.
It's fucking like my uncle has.
There you go.
There, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Big.
Wow.
Alam mo? No, wait, there was rice in it.
Now I can cook.
Oh.
No, I knew there was rice in it.
Oh, yeah, you're
Another chocolate.
chocolate. Oh, bumalik yung spam sa Goes back to oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, those are good.
Oh, I like
Of course, rice and
Sardines.
Aba, malaki yan. Oh, may oatmeal
And
pa.
oatmeal. Yay!
Yay!